2024 Cayenne comes with a new assistance system, Stalk. The operation of this is slightly different than previous generation Porsches. To set the speed, you push up on the stalk. If you would like to decrease the speed, you push down. To increase the speed, you push up in a vertical motion on the stalk. If you would like to resume your cruise control set speed, pull the stalk towards you. If you would like to cancel the cruise control you've set, push away from you on the stalk. If your vehicle is equipped with adaptive cruise control or InnoDrive, you can adjust a vehicle's distance further or closer to you. This is done by the rocker switch on the assistance system Stalk. Push up to increase the distance for the vehicle in front of you, and push down on that switch to decrease the distance of the vehicle in front of you. You can also turn on and off your cruise control by the button on the end of the stalk. Push this button again to move down the menu that has just popped up in your instrument cluster. Each button push will go down once. You can do speed limiter, hill control, adaptive cruise control, or you can turn the cruise control off. You can also turn on and off lane keep assist from the assistance system Stalk. This is done by pushing and holding the button on the bottom of the stalk.